Hey, what's up YouTube? Check this out. We're going to do a little spray coating shootout, right? A lot of people are making these new spray coatings, spray ceramic coatings. We're going to give these three a shot, and we are going to apply them to this crappy old truck out in the back lot of my property here. This truck is what is it, like a 05 F250. Basically just going to use it for parts, an old fire truck. The hood actually is in fairly decent shape, you know. The paint's somewhat okay-ish on it. I will tell you, prep-wise, I didn't do much. I washed it, and I really only did the front half. I didn't want to try to reach the whole backside there. But just the front half, just washed it, clayed, decontamination, iron, you know, and dried it all off and did a thorough prep spray on it. So surface is nice and clean. I went ahead and already applied these products because I didn't feel like you need to watch me apply the products. It's pretty straightforward. Follow the directions, right? Well, here's some fascinating results. I applied all these spray coatings to the hood of the F250 here in these three sections. The turtle wax, it's pretty nice tight beading, as you can see. This is just from morning dew, right? This is first thing in the morning. It's about 8:30. Sun's just coming up. It's been getting kind of frosty at night, so we had a lot of condensation form on the hood here. And again, our turtle wax ceramic coating. We got nice tight beads. You can see the water droplets were kind of falling down off the corner of the hood here. The Adams Advanced graphene spray coating. Lots of nice tight beads. You can see some droplets coming down this little channel in the hood. Nice tight beading here. The Meguiar's hybrid ceramic, full on sheeting. It's almost like there's no protection at all, no beading whatsoever. It's just a sheet, and it's tough to see, but it is all wet. It's just a solid sheet, not a single bead on there. So I don't know if that's by design. We're gonna come back in a little bit, spray some water and whatnot, check out the behavior. All right, so let's look at the water behavior here for all three. Over here is the turtle wax section. It's pretty good. Nice hydrophobic nature. Over here we got the Adams Advanced graphene spray. Again, looks pretty good. Actually a little tighter beading on the turtle wax product there. You can see where I stopped back there. Like I said, I only did the front half. And then over here on that third section, sorry my hose doesn't reach very far, we've got the Meguiar's. And it is more of a sheeting action, isn't it? We do have some beads going on there, but like you saw, that section in the middle there was more of a sheeting action. But repelling the water nonetheless. Kind of surprised with the Meguiar's, you know, not the Meguiar's, the Adams over here in the center compared to the turtle wax. See, really good, nice tight beading with the turtle wax. Not quite as good with the Adams. Again, this is day number 1. Yesterday was day 0. I applied this all in the afternoon, let it cure overnight, came and had that look in the morning to look at the morning dew situation. And, you know, we didn't see any beading or anything on the Meguiar's hybrid ceramic side. But it does appear to have some pretty good hydrophobic qualities here. Like you can see the whole back of the hood here is like nothing. I did nothing to that backside. I didn't even wash the whole thing. So far on day number 1, kind of more impressed with the turtle wax than I am with the other two. But we will continue testing here, so stay tuned. All right, this is day 3 here. It's an afternoon. I left this alone for a little bit, so let's spray some water on here, see how they're behaving. Turtle Wax is still doing great. Adams. Meguiar's has a little bit of beating. Let's see if we can get some more water on that one. Still pretty good. Hydrophobics on it. Turtle Wax has still the nice tightest beads. Alright, well, let's have some fun. Here's some coffee grounds. This is acidic. We're just gonna let those sit. Do a little section. A little piece on each section. Yeah. Let's see how they hold up to that. Alright, well, you know, not gonna lie, I feel like I have a lot of footage already. I don't feel like editing for hella forevers, so I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna leave all this stuff here, all this coffee. I'm not gonna clean it off. I'm not gonna do nothing to it. I'll come back here in a few weeks and we'll test again. So unfortunately for you, you're gonna have to follow my channel so that you can get the updates when I post the results. So far, Turtle Wax I think is performing the best, just based on the beading. You know, nice tight beads. Adams, I would say, is a close second. Beads not as tight or uniform, but the hydrophobics are great. But you know, the Meguiar's is a very close third. Although the beading is not there, it's got a little bit more of like a sheeting action. So again, sucks for you. You're gonna have to subscribe and follow for the final updates.